We're short of time, so let's jump right to it. How in the world did the rupee lose over 20% of its value? First, let's establish this basic rule of economics. If demand exceeds supply, value jumps. Or if supply exceeds demand, value drops. Now keep this in mind as we move on. Broadly speaking, there were domestic reasons and global reasons. Our economic growth was terrible. Sectors performed badly, our exports grew less, while our imports of expensive products cost us beyond our wildest imagination. And finally, our totally unpredictable economy scared away foreign investors. Together, this meant that our country's ratio of foreign to Indian currency was extremely poor. Too many dollars were leaving the country and not enough flowing in. Meanwhile, in the USA, the economy was recovering. Better policies helped the dollar become stronger. Investors saw this as an opportunity and began pulling out their money from emerging markets, which means India and other countries were deprived of much needed dollars. All in all, it's a pretty bleak scenario for the rupee. Nothing can be done to stop the global causes, but the RBI took steps in India. Restrictions on imports made foreign goods more expensive to buy. Industries began wooing foreign investors back to India. Restrictions were put on Indians buying property abroad, while things were made easier for NRIs to send money back home. Basically, a simple reverse of everything that went wrong in the first place. The rupee is stronger now, but it's still sliding. It's going to take more than this to get the rupee back to where it was again, that's for sure.